Hello,
Okay.
this is how I fix the broken sunglasses and the swimming goggles. I hope you will follow me how I fixed it.
Gamit.
Just don't skip my video tutorial, and it's so easy to do it.
Glass ko. Glasses by sunglasses. Yung sira.
It's been a long time since I've never used this stuff and stock up.
Kalidad. Pero maganda pa naman.
That's why I broke it for the time I had to use. Now I'm going to repair
Hindi
it.
nasira, naputol. Basta hindi nagamit ng matagal. So, dali lang. Didikit lang natin. Bago pa naman to. Ganyan pa. So,
Now I am gonna need a stick bond glue to fix this stuff. To repair it by myself. It's so simple procedure. Come on, let's start it and make our hands dirty. Now, it's done.
Pasensya na po tayo
I'm so sorry. I didn't know my cell phone are run out of battery. That's why my procedure are short video only. Anyway, it's not too long, and you can imagine how it's done. Also, you will do it simple by yourself. Now, only had to do is to wait until 1 hour tops, until it's dry and totally hard bonded. I also added some all-purpose epoxy to make it solid hard bondage.
Siya yung magbabind. Tayo na lang natin.
Just let it dry and leave it for an hour.
Tigas na yan. Ba, hindi ko na ito gagamitin eh. I-display ko na lang ito
Actually,
sa mannequin
I'm
ko
not
doon
gonna
sa
use
kanya.
this, but I'm going to put on my display mannequin.
Okay, that's all, folks. I hope you enjoy watching. And
Anyway, I hope you will have some
sana may
idea
natutunan kayo.
on how to repair and
Simpleng
fix
repair.
it.
Kaya niyong gawin niya sa bahay niyo.
You can also
Sa
apply it
kompleto lang
to your
yung
home and
gamit.
try to fix some
Wala
stuff.
naman tayong tools dito eh. Kundi yung blade
It's
lang,
so
blade.
simple
Yung
produce.
blade.
Just a couple of tools like a piece of blade and all-purpose epoxy.
Halo natin sa ating epoxy all-purpose. Okay, that's it. And see you on my next video.
Like, comment, share.